The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
The Expert Committee on Reservation Policy 1972, established by the Meghalaya government, has recently gathered feedback and suggestions from pressure groups, political parties, public representatives, and individuals across the state. The committee is tasked with analyzing these inputs to consider amendments to the Reservation Policy of 1972. On the 15th of July 2024, BJP MLA from South Shillong, Sanbor Shulai, proposed that 27% of total recruitment should be reserved for individuals from poorer sections of society. After submitting his suggestions to the expert committee, Shulai spoke to the media advocating not only for reservations for the economically weaker sections, but also suggesting that 30% be reserved for the Khasi Jaintia and Garo communities, 6% for the scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, and other backward classes, 3% each for other scheduled tribes and other scheduled castes and other backward classes, and 7% for the unreserved category. Shulai emphasized that the economically disadvantaged should include drivers, street vendors, daily wage laborers, farmers, and others in similar categories.
The above reservation is being done keeping in mind the 2011 population whereas the population census of 2011 tribal make up to 86.15% of Meghalaya population. So based on that, number two, 30% we have suggested to reserve for Khasi Jaintia, 30%. Reserve for Garo, 27%, 30%, and 27% to reserve for economically weaker section, 6% combined to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, out of which 3% for other Shul tribe and 3% for Shul caste and OBC, 7% on reserve for general. Previously, other Shul tribe and Shul caste is 5%. Now we have proposed 6% with the increase of 1% with inclusion of OBC, other backward classes. Number three, highlight out of the 27% reservation for economically weaker section category, wherein 87% will be reserved for the economically weaker section or the BPL people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo category, and remaining 6% to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, and 7% for unreserved category suggested by the advisory committee shall benefit the poor and also people from rural areas who are mostly deprived. For the job reservation, the economically weaker section includes the BPL family, which includes the children children of drivers, hawkers, domestic workers, daily wages earners, contractual employees, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, farmers and laborers. For these, the government employees are excluded from economically weaker section category. Number 4, the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal in OBC category, and the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal of the state in OBC category, and for those entitled for the scheduled caste should be included in scheduled caste category. The advisory committee has also suggested 3% reservation for OBC and scheduled caste and 3% for the other scheduled tribe. The advisory committee has also suggested that in the absence of any interested candidates belonging to other scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, OBC, and unreserved category in any respective district, the same shall be filled by economically weaker section society of the Khasi Jaintia category in all Khasi and Jaintia hills, which includes in Ribhoi district, and Garo in case of Garo hills, for district level posts or subdivisional posts. Stress ba yakini ki baduk ki bakrodo naduk ki dong bela ki dong rap ki taxi driver ki ben kling embryo ki ba trekan touching embryo ki hawkers dan ki ba di ki bam de ki dong trekam sorkar ki ba trek kam private ki baduk ki bakrodo ba ki ban receive no ar punyo percent na batajong ki markum ka bolong akin ki san ho stem tam ki bla ayu kam don ka clarity aka state reservation policy jungi ban peni bakaladun ka jingmang yang kata kabaha na kabanta jong kiniki baduk ki bakardo lene baladun ka jingmang nam tagi sports sport kam don ka clarity kabashay balamang kata persen nam ta ki sports quota kata persen nam ta ka culture kam judo ki badai ki quota jong art and culture te arpunyo persen nam ta ki deki economically weaker dari BPL iba mde ki dong trekam sorkar nadu ki dong rap nadu ki dong ya taxi ki dong kling brio ki dong di surok de madan apa surok ki dong songyo barit beria ki dong bela barit beria ki batreh ki kamba per ki balat no ki batrekam sorkar ya ki boro la kaji laju mur padiban ai bha kerpang no ya ki 40%. Te kata ka di ki ba ngi ya ngi la percaya bangin sai kopi ya ki boro